Now actual poll starts at 7 a.m. PRO switch on the control unit smoothly. First voter comes directly to APRO. APRO was in charge of confirming the identity card. APRO was in charge of marked copy of electoral roll, and he is in charge of identifying the elector. First, APRO check the EPIC or any other valid document brought by the voter. Also, he checks the slip brought by the elector, which is provided by booth officer indicating the name and serial number of the elector, and reads the name and the serial number loudly. Also, with red pen, APRO draw a line diagonally in the marked copy of the electoral roll in the part of the electors portion. Also, APRO draw a line across the serial number with red pen if the voter is a male, and if the voter is a female, draw a cross mark near the serial number, across the serial number, and encircle the serial number. If the voter is a transgender, draw a line across the serial number, encircle it, and put a star mark outside the circular portion. Next, voter goes to the second polling officer who is in charge of indelible ink. Also, second polling officer is in charge of the form 17A. Also, second polling officer is in charge of providing voter slip to the voter. So, second polling officer first check the left hand index finger whether any ink mark is provided or not, whether it is clean or not. Then write the serial number of the elector in the form 17A. Then note which type of ID he brought, EPIC or non-EPIC such as DL or not, that mention, and last 4 digits in the EPIC or non-EPIC also will be written in that column. Then take voter signature or thumb impression. Next, second polling officer marks ink on the left hand index finger of the voter. Also, he provides the voter slip marked with serial number 1 as well as serial number printed on the marked copy of the electoral roll. Now, voter goes to third polling officer. He is in charge of control unit. Also, he is in charge of collecting voter slip provided by the second polling officer. So, third polling officer checks the ink part on the left hand index finger, collect voter slip, then press the ballot button. The voter goes to the voting compartment and casts his vote. Now, the red busy lamp appeared in CU, in control unit, after pressing of the bell button gets disappeared. Also the beep sound in control unit also gets stopped. Now machine is ready to cast next vote. The second electric comes, the same process gets repeated.